This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Douglas Piazza. This beautiful 4-bedroom 2-bath home is located in the gated community of Etowah. Stone accents on the front of the home, large main hallway leads to a spacious open plan. The house offers a split floor plan. Upgrades include 9-feet ceilings, baseboards, plankwood accent wall in living room, lighting and fixtures throughout upgraded and large kitchen pantry. Laminate flooring in the main living areas and one bedroom while the other bedrooms are carpeted. The kitchen is open to the living dining combo and has a nice large island. The porch is large and fully screened with no rear neighbors to enjoy the view and nature. Etowah is conveniently located close to restaurants, shopping, Starbucks and Advent Hospital. Community amenities include a pool, tennis courts, a playground, basketball court, grilling area with pavilion and a fishing pier on Lake Eustis. With a 429, commuting to Orlando is an easy drive and the attractions in Orlando including Disney, Universal, and SeaWorld are less than 45 minutes. The quaint Mount Dora Center and Tavares waterfront are only 10 minutes away. For more information, review the details below or contact Douglas Piazza at 352-978-6639.